What are homelands? How do homelands stretch, shrink, and shift over time? What happens when homelands overlap with one another? How does perpetual colonization, conquering, war, and resistance transform homelands and create new ones? What is the spiritual story of a homeland? How do the artistic products and structures of a homeland tell a story? What connections do people have to homeland, and how are these connections manifested in history and present day? And importantly, how do the Camino Real, the Palace of the Governors, exemplify the layered unfolding of homeland in an area that had a vibrant system of Pueblo communities prior to European settlement? Welcome. My name is Dr. Rebecca Sanchez, and I am the project director for the Contested Homelands Knowledge, History, and Culture of Historic Santa Fe, New Mexico workshop to be held in the summer of 2021. I'm also a faculty member at the University of New Mexico in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Bienvenidos todos, bienvenidos a Nuevo Mexico. My name is Dr. Mia Sosa Provencio. I am also faculty at the University of New Mexico, and I will be your assistant director.
So we wanted to take this opportunity to invite you to apply for the workshop. Participants who come to Santa Fe in the summer of 2021 will have an opportunity to explore Santa Fe's place in the larger national narrative of American history. So we start off by considering the Pueblo context of New Mexico that existed long before colonization, and then we, through layers of exploration, study how colonization happened here and changed and transformed this place. So specifically, different historic sites are utilized as places of inquiry. One of them is the Camino Real del Tierra Adentro, which is a royal road that existed from Mexico into present-day United States. We also study the Palace of the Governors, which is the longest continuously utilized public building in the United States. And through these structures, we start to uncover the histories and stories of the people here and how this place has been a significant part of the national story. I'm going to quickly show you just our website that we're establishing, where you will find more information about the program. As you can see here in this beautiful image, this is Pecos Pueblo, one of the historic sites that we have the opportunity to visit during the workshop. And so all of the information you need can be found at our website. We just wanted to take this opportunity to give you a chance to meet us over Zoom and to see what we are planning for the summer.
Yeah, and we believe that this time in history, particularly within the United States, within the world, this difficult moment that we are in sort of makes this work even more relevant to remember all of the contested narratives and all of the unknown histories that weave together to bring us to this present moment and remind us really how interconnected we are.
So this will be the third time we host this workshop. We had two successful runs, one in 2010 and another in 2012. And so this will be our third time. We have a group of distinguished scholars, internationally recognized artists, and these wonderful historic sites that'll all come together in a rewarding, professionally rigorous, and exciting seminar. So please apply. We look forward to meeting you in 2021. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.